Here's an older iPhone 7. As you can see, the iPhone 7 is basically identical to the iPhone SE 2020. The length and width on both phones are basically the same, but the iPhone 7 is just a little bit thinner than the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE 2020 is a little bit thicker because it has a glass back with wireless charging technology, while the iPhone 7 does not support wireless charging and it has aluminum back. Perhaps we can also see the camera hump on the iPhone SE 2020 is a little bit flatter than the iPhone 7. But still, if you have an iPhone 7 case, as long as it's not a hard shell case, it will work on your brand new iPhone SE. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.